Welcome to Review Rumble. The best S10 battery is probably one of the most crucial components of your phone, and finding a reliable replacement can be a game changer. In this video, we're diving deep into the world of S10 batteries, exploring their performance, longevity, and overall value. We'll be looking at different brands, comparing their specifications, and ultimately helping you decide which battery is the perfect fit for your needs. Number 5. Viimon S10 Battery Replacement Kit for Samsung Galaxy S10. Tired of your Samsung Galaxy S10's battery life? This replacement kit from Viimon is the perfect solution. It includes everything you need to revive your phone's power. This battery is designed specifically for Samsung Galaxy S10 models SM, G973, and more. Make sure it fits your phone before you buy it. It is not for the S10 Plus. The battery uses OEM quality cells, ensuring a perfect fit and safe performance. It has multiple protection features to prevent overcharging and overheating, with a built-in microchip for safe charging and improved battery life. The kit comes with a full set of professional tools and a detailed manual. This makes the battery replacement process easy and hassle-free. The adhesive sticker is pre-installed. Viimon offers 24-hour customer service and a 12-month warranty. If you have any problems, don't hesitate to contact them. They are always ready to help you. What we like. This battery offers OEM quality, ensuring a perfect fit and safe performance. It also includes pre-installed adhesive and a toolkit, making installation a breeze. If you're looking for a reliable and easy-to-install replacement, this is a great choice. What people say. The rest of the kit is top-notch too, with pre-cut adhesive film for the battery and back that fit perfectly. The new battery is slightly longer than the original but fits well, see photos. The replacement adhesive exactly matches the original. An all-inclusive kit for my Samsung Galaxy S10e, this worked perfectly for me. The kit covers S10s, of a small variety of subsets, and the guide is labeled as being for the S10 specifically. Nonetheless, it was nearly identical on my S10e. The pictures were helpful, included all major steps, and some minor ones, and were written in good English. Number 4. ASDAWN Galaxy S10 Plus Battery Replacement. This replacement battery is designed for the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus, model SM, G975. It includes instructions and support from professional engineers to help you with the installation process. Make sure to check your old battery's part number before you buy this one. For the best results, use your original charger and cable. It's recommended to fully drain the battery the first few times before charging it completely. This will help the battery reach its full potential after a few charge cycles. This ASDAWN battery has a 4,100 mAh capacity, providing fast and efficient charging. It can last up to 48 hours, bringing your phone's battery life back to normal and saving you money. This will restore your phone to like-new performance. The battery uses grade A-rated cells for a longer lifespan and efficient charging. It's manufactured and tested under strict quality control. It also has a built-in microchip to prevent overcharging and overheating, ensuring safe operation for both you and your device. We offer a replacement or refund for any quality issues. Our products are made in automated workshops and inspected by professionals. We are committed to providing superior performance and earning your trust through excellent product quality. What we like. This battery boasts a high capacity, providing up to 48 hours of use. It's also rigorously safety tested, with built-in protection. If you are a heavy user who needs long-lasting power and peace of mind, it's the perfect option. What people say. Everything you need is included in the kit, if you are careful, see below. The battery cable connector is very small and obviously goes into a small socket. It took me 2 tries to make sure I had it seated correctly. At first the phone would power up but not take a charge. Once I reseated the connector, all was well. Number 3. MAXBEAR Galaxy S10 Replacement Battery. Is your phone battery draining fast? This replacement battery from MAXBEAR is here to help. It will bring your phone back to life, making it feel brand new again. This battery is made with top-grade cells for lasting performance. It also has a built-in microchip to prevent overcharging and overheating, ensuring your safety. This battery is specifically designed for the Samsung Galaxy S10, Model EB, BG973ABU and SM, G9730. Please note that it is not compatible with other Galaxy models. It has a 3700 mAh capacity and operates at 3.85 V. It is a lithium-ion battery, providing reliable power for your device. We offer a 12-month warranty for customer satisfaction. If you have any questions or issues, please contact us. Your satisfaction is our top priority. What we like. This battery will bring life back to your phone. Made with premium cells and strict quality control, it ensures a long lifespan. If you like a reliable battery with a long life cycle, then this is the one for you. What people say. Battery still works great and holds a charge just fine. It is working perfectly, charge lasts me all day. My phone lasts more than a day now. Number 2. HDCKU Samsung Galaxy S10 Replacement Battery. Are you experiencing battery issues with your Samsung Galaxy S10? This replacement battery is designed specifically for your phone. It's a reliable solution to bring your phone back to life. This battery has undergone strict quality control and is CE and RoHS certified. You can rest assured knowing that it meets high safety standards. It's a brand new battery with 0 cycles. Using grade A cells, this battery ensures a longer lifespan, supporting 500+ cycles. It also offers high speed and efficient charging. It works just as well as the original. This battery is designed for the Galaxy S10 G970 only, not the S10 Plus. Please confirm your phone model before purchasing. It is compatible with all Galaxy S10 carriers. The battery has a voltage of 3.85 V and a capacity of 3300 mAh. The package includes the battery and the necessary tools for replacement. It's everything you need to get started. What we like. This battery is tested under strict quality control standards. It uses grade A cells to ensure longer battery life. If you have a Galaxy S10 and need a reliable replacement, this is a solid choice. What people say. The new battery fits very well. Getting the glue in place requires some care and attention, but shouldn't be hard for anyone who has reasonable dexterity. Install was super easy, phone's working great, will update review in a few months if battery life degrades by any measurable amount. Number 1. MAXBEAR Galaxy S10 5G Replacement Battery. Is your phone's battery draining too fast? This replacement battery from MAXBEAR is designed specifically for your Samsung Galaxy S10 5G. It will bring your phone back to life. This battery is made with top-grade battery cells for long-lasting performance. It also has a built-in microchip to prevent overcharging and overheating, ensuring your safety. This battery is compatible with the Samsung Galaxy S10 5G, Model EB, BG977ABU. Please note that it is not compatible with other Galaxy S10 models. Make sure this is the right one for your phone. With a capacity of 4800 mAh and a voltage of 3.85 V, this lithium-ion battery provides extended power. You can enjoy using it for a longer time. We offer a 12-month warranty for customer satisfaction. If you have any questions, please contact us. Your satisfaction is our top priority. What we like. This battery will bring life back to your phone. Made with premium cells and strict quality control, it ensures a long lifespan. If you like a reliable battery with a long life cycle, then this is the one for you. What people say. The battery life is excellent. The battery has been working great and I have had no issues. The battery life is much better than the original battery. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.